Something big is happening inside America's defense industry. Missile factories are running at full speed, new radar systems are under construction, and production records that stood for decades have just been broken. What's behind this massive surge, and what does it tell us about the world we're heading into? According to several US defense insiders, Lockheed Martin has reached its highest missile output ever. More than 600 Patriot Advanced Capability 3 Missile Segment Enhancement Interceptors produced in 2025. The company recently secured a multi-billion-dollar contract to deliver nearly 2,000 additional interceptors to the US Army and allied nations. It's described as the largest single Patriot missile agreement in history, signaling a shift from steady production to full-scale mobilization. The Patriot Advanced Capability 3 Missile Segment Enhancement is the sharpest spear in America's air and missile defense arsenal. It can intercept everything from short-range ballistic missiles to advanced cruise and even hypersonic threats. Each missile costs well over $4 million, but its success rate and precision make it one of the most trusted defensive weapons on Earth. For the US and its partners, ramping up production isn't just about numbers, it's about readiness for a future where missile threats are constant. Defense media reports suggest that the surge in demand is coming from both Europe and the Indo-Pacific. Nations like Poland, Japan, and Taiwan are rapidly expanding their Patriot networks as global tensions rise. Meanwhile, the US Army is working to replenish its own inventory after extensive foreign sales and operational commitments. In short, the factories aren't just serving America, they're serving an entire alliance network. Insiders say Lockheed Martin's missile plants are now using AI-based quality control and high-speed automation to meet the record output. Every seeker head, control unit, and propellant stage is built under strict precision, the kind of engineering you'd expect in spacecraft, not missiles. Technicians describe the line as a blend of robotics and human craftsmanship. Each interceptor is tested to withstand extreme vibration, heat, and acceleration before it's approved for service. At the same time, another American defense giant has begun construction on a new radar manufacturing facility in Massachusetts. The project, valued at more than $50 million, will focus on building next-generation sensors for the US Army's lower-tier air and missile defense sensor, the radar that will replace the aging Patriot system. Defense analysts say this radar can track faster, smaller, and stealthier threats, giving the US and its allies a major edge in detection and interception. Put it all together, and 2025 looks like the start of a new industrial era for US defense manufacturing. After years of supply chain issues, labor shortages, and political hesitation, the Pentagon has shifted gears. The focus now is speed, scale, and self-reliance, producing advanced weapons not just for war, but as a show of technological dominance. The world is watching, and so are America's rivals. So, what do you think? Is this surge in missile and radar production a smart move for stability, or a sign that something bigger is coming? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for our next breakdown. Until next time, stay informed, stay sharp.